Hey everyone, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we are going to make a yoga mat for dolls using a piece of cloth and scissors. So the first step is that we are going to measure the height of the doll. Okay, sorry, I'm just going to use pencil to measure this out. Okay, and you are already done. Okay guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. Bye!